Hello everyone, welcome to my program 10x Growth Mindset. Sorry, my name is Shyama Prasad Goswami. I am a experienced business leader. I worked globally 28 years in different part of the world, and I have a keen interest in the human behavior. I help navigating transformation and the turning around within the businesses and also with the thriving individuals. So my program is mainly for the business founders and also the entrepreneurs and the thriving people. So if you are not one of this category, you may stop watching this video because it may not bring enough result. And let me begin saying that I am very picky about working with people. So I see a chemistry how we go, and then only I choose to work and create a fabulous result. In an industry, two companies starting same time with similar resources, one does very average performance, whereas another does five-star performance. What are the reasons? People are getting tired, stressed out, anxious to that extent that it is almost impacting their health, their emotional being, their relationship, the business, the overall business. The common mistake people do, thinking that the average result or poor result or they are going out of business, it is because of the market, or maybe they didn't have right people with them, or some star alliance which didn't work, they were not lucky enough. If only they knew that certain new approaches are available, and if they could have embraced it with little openness and could have given little time, they could have done a great job, and they can do a great job. This is the work I have done in my life, in a good time and in a bad time, and I have succeeded immensely, and I share those experiences and along with my training for the human behavior. People do think that I'm not enough, or my business is not enough, or whatever I have created, it is not enough. They get into a self-limiting belief. The automation, the digital marketing, artificial intelligence, IoT, you name it, it is flooding the market today. There are plenty of good experts with the real empathy who wants to help people, and they are available just in a WhatsApp call. If only people knew how to utilize them. So I bring this kind of results because it's not that the business people, they do not know about the business. They know about the technology, they know about the market. Still, why it is happening that one company does an exponential performance whereas other doesn't do? It is because of the amplification, because of the intensification of the execution. For example, you have an idea and the chairman creates a vision for the company for next 5 to 10 years where they want to reach. It starts from there, and with the similar vision, two companies will create two different set of goals. One is very average kind of goal, and another may be an excellent goal having a larger vision. They're collaborating, they're collecting ideas, they're dynamic. So from these goal settings, they're creating a plan which is meticulous, which they truly believe, and another one they feel that it may be possible or it may not be possible. They doubt themselves in spite of having their own capabilities. So once the planning stage is done, they take the execution level even to the much higher level, because people believe in the team that it is possible. One set of business they have already decided, they have already lost, and another is having a winning approach. They create a different culture within the organizations. The leaders are able to communicate what they think, whereas in the average companies, the leaders communicate, but they do not know whether employees understood this or not. There is no proper feedback system. I take people through this 10x growth mindset in a very simplistic manner, in a simple step process, though actually these are very detail oriented, and I have a very simple ground rules. It's about just being, respecting each other well, and being punctual whenever we are deciding to talk, and openness, because that's the thing I practice myself, and I expect the same thing from people. So if you like my talk and the video, you can book a 30 minutes free clarity call with me, and I can take the things from there. I run two different programs. One is the master class for the entrepreneurs, and another is for the thriving business founders who wants to create a exponential result in their business, and that is a different program which runs for a longer period. So just book the call, and if we have a chemistry with each other, I will definitely support. I work with selective people, and I'm hoping that you will be the one. Thank you so much.